Hello, everyone. Today, I'm taking you to one of Geelong's most peaceful hidden gems, Buckley Falls, located along the beautiful Barwon River. It's just a few minutes from Geelong, but it feels like a completely different world. Calm, quiet, and surrounded by nature. Buckley Falls is not a big or dramatic waterfall, but that's not the point. The beauty here is in its simplicity. The sound of water flowing over the rocks, the fresh air, and the green surroundings make it a perfect escape from a busy day. As soon as you arrive, you can hear the river before you even see it. That soft sound of moving water instantly creates a peaceful feeling. It's one of those places where you naturally slow down without even trying. There are easy walking tracks around the area, making it suitable for everyone. Whether you want a short walk, a relaxed stroll, or just a quiet moment outdoors, this place is perfect. You'll often see people walking their dogs, jogging, or simply sitting and enjoying the view. One of the best things about Buckley Falls is how close it is to the city, yet it feels so natural and untouched. You don't need a long drive or big plan. Just come here for a quick reset. If you enjoy photography or making videos, this spot is amazing. The rocks, flowing water, and greenery create beautiful natural textures. Early morning and sunset are the best times, when the light is soft and golden, making everything look more cinematic. After rainfall, the falls completely change. The water becomes stronger, louder, and more powerful. It feels more alive and energetic, giving you a totally different experience compared to a normal day. Every visit can feel new, depending on the weather. But just a small reminder, be careful when walking near the water. The rocks can be slippery, especially after rain. Wear comfortable shoes so you can explore safely and enjoy the walk without worry. What I really love about Buckley Falls is that it reminds us something important. You don't always need to travel far or go to famous destinations to find peace. Sometimes the most relaxing places are the ones close to home, waiting quietly to be discovered. It's simple, natural, and calming. A perfect spot to pause, breathe, and just enjoy the moment. If you're in Geelong or nearby, I highly recommend visiting Buckley Falls at least once. It might surprise you how peaceful it feels. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!